For thousands of years, humanity has been trying to unlock the secrets of these massive mountains rising from the heart of the desert, the Great Pyramids of Giza. Popular culture has always told us stories of mysterious technologies and mystical powers. Yet the truth hidden deep within the ground points to an engineering genius far beyond our imagination. Today, modern microscopic and geological research shows that the pyramids were aligned not only according to the stars in the sky, but also parallel to the plateau's own geological layout, the natural strike of the Mokattam Formation. This line, known as the Great Giza Diagonal, forms a nearly flawless straight line with a deviation of only 5 to 10 arcseconds from true north. How was such millimetric precision even possible under the primitive conditions of that era? To understand the Great Pyramid, we must look at the language of numbers. Records show that a staggering 7 million cubic meters of local limestone was quarried over 3 generations for the 3 main pyramids of Giza. Furthermore, the architects of Khufu chose to use exceptionally large blocks compared to previous periods, specifically to enhance structural stability and ensure the monument's longevity. But how were these multi-ton stones hauled upward? Archaeological excavations have proven that the ramps were not just randomly piled heaps of dirt. The ancient ramps discovered near the Wall of the Crow were true engineering marvels, built with casemate retaining walls designed to withstand massive vertical loads and tightly bound together with hardened limestone rubble and marley clay. For centuries, we were told that the pyramids were built by whipped and tortured slaves. This was a massive lie. Today, the discovery of Heit el-Ghurob, the city of the Wall of the Crow, south of the Giza Plateau, has unveiled the truth. The pyramids were not built by slaves, but by free local citizens gathered through a national labor tax system known as corvée. This was in reality history's first true national project. This vast city was strictly segregated based on social hierarchy. The gallery complex, designed like military barracks, housed between 1,600 and 2,000 workers at any given time. These workers were organized into social units called za. Graffiti found inside the Menkaure temple, naming rival workforce groups like Friends of Menkaure or Drunkards of Menkaure, proves these people operated with remarkably high morale. These workers did not stay there permanently. They rotated back to their hometowns after serving 3-month shifts. Feeding such an army required a logistical genius even greater than building the pyramid itself. Archaeological data reveals that an average of 11 cattle and 30 sheep or goats were slaughtered every single day on this site. This high-quality meat, handpicked and brought from distant premium pastures, is absolute proof of how well the workers were fed. Not only that, but the largest bread molds discovered and distributed to the workers had a capacity of 6.5 liters, each weighing a massive 7 kilograms. The traces of this frantic activity are still fresh. Excavations revealed intense layers of granite dust reaching up to 12 centimeters thick within the construction fills. This confirms that the massive granite blocks transported via the Nile from Aswan hundreds of kilometers away were meticulously chiseled, yaunted, and finished to the exact millimeter right here around the pyramid. A time span of 80 years, 3 generations of kings, and millions of cubic meters of stone. The pyramids are not the work of mysterious creatures or aliens. They were the collective triumph of humanity, perfectly organized, well-fed, and pushing the absolute boundaries of engineering and mathematics. They continue to rise toward the heavens as the ultimate proof of a lost technology from the past. If the massive camp life behind the great mystery we mentioned in our shorts video fascinated you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more scientific history documentaries. See you in the next mystery.